Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluko, aunti Deke. If today's the first day on this channel, I am so happy to have you on board. You are so welcome. Yes, I'm so sorry I couldn't post a video last week. I was on holiday. Yay, but I'm back now. It's good to be back. So 2 weeks ago, we learned about ABC nursery rhyme in Yoruba language. So today, I want to focus on those alphabets actually and how it sounds and what they stand for. But I'm going to do it baby step. I'm going to do it in baby steps, so that we can carry everyone along. So today, we'll just learn the first 3 alphabets, okay? But I'm going to do it really slow, okay? But before we do all that, we have to greet everyone in Yoruba language on the count of Enio, Ejio, Eta, Oya, o, Ekaro, Ekason, Ekale. Akudede àsìkò ní gbogbo tí ẹ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi lónìí. Orúkọ tèmi ni Oluko aunti Deke. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni lórí ètò lónìí a máa kọ́ ABD èdè Yorùbá, a sì máa kọ́ nǹkan tó dúró fún àti bí a ṣe ń pè é, bí a ti ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ni màá fi kọ́ àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi. Ó yá ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ. Alright guys, so we're gonna learn the first 3 alphabets, which is A, B, D. I'm sure by now you know that from our ABC song. And I'm sure you're wondering, where's the C gone? Anyway, if you want more about that, I've done a full episode previously about alifabeti èdè Yoruba, which is Yoruba alphabet, okay? But on this occasion, we're going to be focusing on how it sounds, how you sound it, and what they stand for, and how to pronounce those words. Okay, so we start with A. I'm sure you know how to sound A now, or how to pronounce A in Yoruba. You know it is A. The interesting thing about Yoruba is the way you say the alphabet is actually the way it sounds. Right? Did you get that? Does that make sense? Yes. So let's start with A. A sound, you pronounce A in Yoruba as A. Did you get that? Open your mouth wide and say A. A is A, and A is for what? Aja. Aja is dog. Aja. Aja. Now the next letter is what? B. B is actually is pronounced B in Yoruba language. B. B. You pull your lips together in and you pop it out. B. Okay, let's do it again. Put your lips in all together and pop it out like this. B. Nice. And B is for what? B is for bata. 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 B bata. B bata. And the last one for today is D. Okay? D. So Yoruba pronounces D as D. 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 You put your teeth together with a vibrating tone and say D. D. Okay, put your teeth together. D. And D is for what? Dokita. 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 Okay, let's recap again. A is what? Aja. Aja. And B is what? B bibata, bibata. Good. Dinko, didokita, didokita. So we've learnt ABD. As you know, this is all the time we've got today. Until I see you next week, we'll be saying our order but together. On the count of Enio, Ejio, Etaoya, O Dabo. Thank you so much, Eshu.